Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful, responsive, free admin dashboard template Angular 19 for you. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful responsive admin dashboard template. See friends, the toggle sidebar, menus, some menus, messages pop up, notification toggle, languages pop up as well. See, so it's color variant as well. See guys, you can drop down it and close and see the dashboard contents area. See guys, with stats, to do list. See friends, beautiful drawing chart. See guys, another chart as well. Beautiful sections and updates, daily feeds, activities guys, and footer. And let me show you its responsiveness. So guys, like I said, it's fully responsive as well. Toggle sidebar. See friends, it will work for all the devices as well. See my guys, we see just videos. So guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description friends. If you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here's my blog, therichpost.com. You will get the contact us page here. On click, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis as well. So friends, this is it for today. After it, I will come with more free demos for you. So guys, also please subscribe my channel, support me. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.